how to measure social media marketing performance. You can measure it in a number of ways, but the most commonly used method is return on ad spend, or ROAS. So if you spend $1,000 on Facebook ads and make $3,000 in sale, you have a 3 times ROAS. Now, while that's the most common way, it's arguably not the best way. A lot of people on Facebook might see your ad and not click it because while they are interested in your product and they liked your ad, they're actually at that time more interested in their friends' photos from their holiday on Hamilton Island. So let's just say you sell women's shoes, and just because someone saw your ad a few times and didn't buy immediately doesn't mean that the ad was ineffective. They may wait until they feel the need to buy a new pair of shoes, and because of your ads, they remember your brand name and search for it on Google. At which point, Google's stats claim all the credit, leaving the Facebook stats looking worse than they are. This is where I could start a whole other video on statistical analysis and attribution modeling, but all you need to know is that social media marketing should be judged by more than ROAS alone. Look at impressions, engagement, site visits, all of these in addition to ROAS, and bear in mind that social media marketing is helping create awareness that will eventually drive new sales.